When you run a small business, you may not always feel you have the time, resources or expertise to manage your health and safety obligations in the workplace. Keeping up to date with and even thinking about health and safety can be daunting, which is why we created the easy-to-do Work Health and Safety Toolkit, so you can see where you exceed and where you need to improve. Because keeping everyone healthy and safe won't just make your business more productive, it will save you money. There are 7 things to focus on. How committed are you to health and safety? Do you talk to your workers about health and safety? How well do you manage risks? Do you know what to do when an incident happens? Are your workers trained, supervised and competent? Is your work environment a safe place to work? Do you have a workers' compensation policy and a return to work plan for injured workers? Simply go online to access the toolkit, complete the checklist, then read through each of the focus areas for information. If your answers are all green, you're doing great. Keep it up. But if you find your answers are orange or red, you'll know you need to improve. The easy-to-do Work Health and Safety Toolkit has everything you need to create a safer, healthier and more successful business. Visit safework.nsw.gov.au/easywhs to start using the easy-to-do WHS Toolkit and to access other free services for help.